time for another flavor, and I wanted to make something lemony, and the ideas are really endless, so you'll see more lemon, but I'm shooting for like a lemon bar. So wanted to add all the things that are gonna have like the graham cracker, say that 5 times fast, graham cracker crust flavor. No, I won't edit, I'll use this. That's, yeah, graham cracker. Okay, but it's gonna start with our vegan vanilla protein. So I'm getting my 18 amino acids. You could use the whey or the vegan. And again, I do both. I like to give my kidneys a break. Our kidneys should not be processing so much animal protein on the daily. They go into hyperdrive, and kidneys were not designed to go into hyperdrive all the time. It's something that was designed so we can rid our bodies of toxins. So it shouldn't be happening every meal, and it does when you do these high protein programs. How do you avoid that? Vegan protein, vegetable protein. It's much kinder. So I'm gonna do half a banana, woo, and a date, because while I want it lemony, I also don't want it to like be puckery. So how much lemon? How lemony do you want it? So I'm squeezing a lemon in there, and making sure my cat can't eat the lemon seed, because who knows if they're toxic. You can all tell how formal I am in my videos. Like, yeah, whatever. Okay, so what's next? We're gonna do some Ceylon cinnamon. We are gonna do some cloves and some ginger root. And I'm thinking about a 1/4 teaspoon of each. And I'm hoping this gives me the flavor of the graham cracker. But you're my test dummies today. I'm the test dummy, so honestly. But I have this thing about live recording and not, I don't like all those edited perfect videos where you think maybe somebody has spent like weeks perfecting a recipe, because then it makes it seem more difficult to accomplish, right? So I'm just showing you off the cuff how easy it is to put a recipe together. And I'm going to use brown flax. So again, for the graham crackery crust, this always adds like a molasses flavor and tons of nutrients. So everything in my shakes are healthy for you. You're never going to see me put something in a shake that is not good for you. And we unfortunately, I rewrite a lot of recipes because a lot of them that claim they're healthy are not. So then my non-dairy milk. I'm gonna blend this puppy, come back, and we will see, will I pucker or not? Okay. I would think a little more lemon, but I definitely got the graham cracker part. So a way to get some more lemon, you could do some zest, a little bit of the peel, and I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze more in there. Now that tastes like a lemon bar, so maybe you just want to even do a little more squeezy wizzy of the lemon after you blend it. There you go, we figured it out.